Hey guys, just want to do a short video. I ended up installing Xpel's paint protection to the side fairings on the Navi. As you can tell, it's a dull finish. It's actually Xpel's Stealth lineup. And like I said, it's a paint protection, so there's 8 mils to the material itself. It actually turned out really, really good. The side of the grasshopper green with the carbon fiber next to the mat actually looks really, really good. And ended up turning the Honda emblem to a matte finish as well. Look at how that turned out. You can also tell too the Navi little stealth of that just turned out really, really well. Even got down inside a little circle in there. But yeah, I just wanted to put this out, and you know, the stealth looks awesome with the grasshopper green. I just put these on. I didn't button them up yet. I'm doing a lot of other things to it as we go here. I just wanted to put this out. Eventually I will get to around the headlight emblem, or the headlight assembly. I got headlight, and then we're gonna do some wiring. Things like that kind of make when you turn the key, the ignition, you know, lights will turn on, do kind of some mods like that. But I'll eventually end up doing the Xpel's paint protection stealth around the headlight. But as we go, I'm just going to be doing a lot of things to it. But the more and more I do, I'll end up kind of documenting the things I do so you guys can see the transformation. I got tires on the way. What else do I got? Probably a couple other things I can't remember. Monday, I'm actually going in to get my exhaust taken care of. So hopefully by mid next week to end of next week, I'll have the Yosh pipe on. We're gonna have to do a couple step ups because, you know, you don't really have much. You have what, half an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch coming out of the exhaust. So we're gonna be doing some step ups. But main reason for this video today is the Stealth paint protection made by Xpel. I mean, it just looks really, really clean. I really like the look of it. All right, let me know what you guys think.